4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
Welcome to Dance Spirit Club, and today we're gonna learn how to do opening out in Rumba.
It's a great figure. Everybody dances it. Everybody loves it. But to do it right, guys, you have to know a couple secrets. And today we're going to share it with you.
And this is opening out.
4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And very often, guys, what we can see this. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So, did you see the difference?
And now, guys, let's learn how to do it beautifully.
And now, guys, let me explain main step. We're going to start on the right foot, and we're going to do alemana first, getting in close position, and then 3 bars of opening out. And gentlemen, we're on the right foot. 2, 3, 4, 1. Now we're taking step backward. 2. Second step, you can see I'm taking step forward, diagonal to the left. 3. And my last step of this bar, I'm taking step forward, diagonal to the right. 4 and hold 1. Now we're getting with lady in close position. And now we start to do opening out. Cucaracha to the left and then hip twist. 2 and 3 and 4, hip twist 1. 2 and 3 and 4, hip twist 1. And 2 and 3 and ladies turn 4, 1. And let's do it together. Gentlemen, please follow me. We stay on the right foot. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2 and 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. And ladies, let's do your steps. So in the beginning, girls, you on your left foot. We stay in the open position. 2, 3, 4, 1. Alemana. And take a 2 and 3 and 4. Get in close position. 1. And now, ladies, we start opening out. Step backward. 2. Step forward. 3. Make a settle. 4. Send your foot. 1. Make a turn. And backward. 2, 3, 4, and then 1. And 2, 3, and 4, and spiral turn 1. And let's do it together, girls. Follow me. We on the left foot. 2, 3, 4, 1. And 2, and 3, and 4, 1. And 2, 3, and 4, 1. And 2, 3, and 4, 1. And 2, 3, and 4, 1. And what is the problem with the wrong execution of the opening out? First of all, we are using basic timing. 2, 3, 4. And lady taking step on the 4. And even worse, lady make a turn on the count 4 and getting in the close position. Let me demonstrate one more time. We stay in the close position and we take in 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That's a very cute, very nice. But see, you know, we have very long pause, like we're getting together and hold it. And it doesn't look like a very musical and very nice approach to dance opening out.
And what do you have to do instead?
First of all, we're going to use delayed timing. What does it mean? On the count 4, lady not going to take a step. She's make a settle and start to move foot forward, free foot forward. And she's taking step on the count 1 and make a turn on the end of 1. And this is, we're going to create very nice position and more correct timing for the opening out. And let's break it down and do it very, very slow. In the beginning, man on the right, lady on the left foot, and we make a settle and getting, lady taking step backward. So 2, then take a step forward, 3, and now girls, don't rush. Make a settle on the count 4 and moving foot forward, 4. On the count 1, transfer your weight and make a turn, 1. And repeat in opposite direction, 2 and 3, settle 4, 1 and 2, one more time, 3, settle 4, 1 and 2 and 3, settle 4, 1 and 2 and 3, settle 4, 1. That's much better.
So now you know how to dance opening out beautifully. And ladies, please remember about delay timing and don't make a step on count 4.
So, gentlemen, on other hand, we have to understand, we need to lead the lady this way. Don't make her turn on the count 4, let it happen. So, you're taking cucaracha 2, 3, collect your feet 4, and on the count 1, you lead lady into the turn.
Thank you for watching and enjoy your dancing.